Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to walk you through how to recover your TikTok account without an email or phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your internet browser, so let's just type in TikTok feedback in the search bar. And then select the first search result, and then we'll be sent to a screen that says, share your feedback. Alright, and the first thing I am going to do is enter an email address, which clearly won't be the email address connected with my TikTok account because I simply don't have access to that email address. However, it should be an email address that I have access to and can check later. So once you've typed in your email address, then you can enter the username of the TikTok account that you're attempting to recover. I'm simply going to put a random TikTok username, but you should type your exact TikTok username. So, under Topic, we're simply going to select General Account Inquiry, and under a Tell Us More, I'm going to select Login Issue, and afterward, right there. Under How Can We Help, you literally need to describe your problem. Now I type something like this. Kindly help me as I have forgotten my TikTok password and am unable to access my email or phone. I'm Ashley123 on TikTok, and I'd love it if you could help me. If there is anything you can do to help, please let me know. Thank you in advance. Simply put, you must notify them that you have lost access to your TikTok account and do not have access to the email address or phone number with which you registered your TikTok account. Give them the TikTok username and let them know you'd like to be able to recover access. All you'd have to do now is fill in everything and then select the Submit button to submit the above form. Please keep in mind that the email address you give them here is one that you have full access to because when TikTok responds to the form that you've submitted to them, they'll respond to the email address you put at the top of the form. And TikTok usually responds in 3 to 5 business days. So give it a few days, keep checking your emails, and TikTok should help you get back into your account. So, I hope that was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment in the comment section below, like, and subscribe to the channel.